Check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
Gregorio, 5 seconds left on the shot clock. Kasin, but nobody boxing out Romel Calahat as he scores the first 2 points of this ball game.
Around the rim to try and secure the rebound, but at that time, nasingitan siya doon ni Romel Calahat.
Catch and shoot free for Bulanadi is good.
Alain Bulanadi bring both of the starters para dito sa Heatwave shoot.
Mike De Gregorio puts up a free short. Mike Mabulak with an offensive rebound and puts it back in for Pangasinan.
Mike Mabulak the paint. Very important that he starts converting those. In the previous games, medyo nag-struggle siya. Kahit na offensive rebound niya, hindi ma-convert.
Panday gives it up to Matias. Nice cut by Calahat and a hard foul given up. Jory Napoles will replace him. Inaalalayan siya dito no, ng kanyang mga kakampi, JP Maguliano and Lervin Flores.
Might be on that Might be on that recovery nung pagka-dive from the weak side nito ni Calahat. Could have twisted an ankle maybe. Well, hopefully he's okay.
Romel Calahat has flourished under Coach Mike Sagigit. Brought to you by Extreme Appliances, ang subok at kumpletong appliance brand ng Pilipinas. Teams offensively going up against one of the elite teams on the defensive side in Caloocan as Mike De Gregorio hits a free.
Mike De Gregorio, they're going to continue to give you that much space outside, and so teams from Parañaque tweaked it a little bit para mag-fit dito sa sistema nito at personnel nitong Caloocan. See that drive.
Napoles and Calahat battling at the post, and a foul will be called against Romel Calahat against San Juan. Pero dito, iba na ang usapan. Both teams gunning for a championship.
You know, other guys like Jeff Manday, and the freedom that they get out of it.
Turns it over. Ahead is Chris Bitoon, who will lay it in. Caloocan ties it up at 10 apiece.
Isa na yan sa mga piyesa
Alam mo, magka-village ang dalawang yan. Alam mo, ba't alam ko yan? Kasama ako dun eh. Mga kapitbahay ko yung mga yan.
Talaga?
Joshua Fontanilla hits the free. And also, actually, a long two.
Much more can you ask for Josh Fontanilla right there? Understood the mismatch. Went to that little feet work towards that shot and that make. That's Josh para dito sa point guard spot for Coach Gerson Cabiltes.
No look pass to Real Cervantes, who launches a free. Can't get that one to fall. Cabanag with a rebound. Pasa kay Bitoon. Titikada sa tres. Yes! Tabla ulit at 13 apiece. Manuel tries to answer and he does.
Ang dami natin mga big.
63 seconds left. Caloocan trailing by 3. Fontanilla coming away with a steal. Joshua Fontanilla dumps it inside to Harvey Pagsanhan.
Presence of mind to generate floor situation para dito kay Josh Fontanilla, making that right read.
Real Cervantes with a mini.
I'm sure Coach Mike Sagigit would ask his boys to, you know, ball and man movement muna as Jory Napola, Pangasinan.
Muling si JP Maguliano nagpalik para dito sa Pangasinan during the trade and free agency window. Joey Barcuma puts it in and a bonus free.
Coach Mike Sagigit na Peter Pan niya. Oh, he loves, you know, the attitude and, you know, the being coach. I feel kind of like how Coach Mike Sagigit was back when he was playing.
5'6" pero parang 6'5" maglaro.
Oo, totoo.
To beat the buzzer, Gortiza backs it in!
That was intentional on King. No? See that right there on that half court. Measured that shot. 2-foot takeoff, kissing off the glass.
Got it off just in time. King Gortiza from 35 feet off the window and in. And it gives Pangasinan something. Kumbaga nag-focus siya dun sa kung paano yung magiging sama nila, yung mindset heading into this naging magandang addition rin para dito sa Caloocan, and so far
they're really a sleeping giant. Let's talk about the Heat Waves. I mean,
Fontanilla, shot fake.
Oh, that was
Pagsanhan inside. Hard foul given up by Chris Biton.
I thought there was eto yun, you see that little push, ayun na, hindi maka-extricate si Harvey Pagsanhan because he got held up by Chris Biton.
Pagsanhan makes the first free. So, papasok pa lang sila ngayon nag-fill up na yung trailing by 7. At the elbow, Ronnie Matias. We haven't seen the familiar backdoor plays of Caloocan, but Paul Sanga, that's something.
Oh, Fontanilla got beat.
Kalahat puts it up, puts it in from downtown. The lead is down to Kalahat. Another 3-point attempt. Back-to-back threes from Romel Kalahat.
Even on the free throw line.
Poor pass from Vic Manuel. Jeff Banday making them pay. Gives it up to Jeff Banday, crossing the timeline. Ronnie Matias. Oy! Meron pa pang tanon si Kuya Ronnie, no?
For Caloocan is that they're playing with a lot of joy. You see this pass right here. And Matias, just hang time, Matias.
Gixer, great move.
Scoring nanggaling sa 3 points, nanggaling sa free throws. And there you go.
First field goal of the quarter.
There's that lane.
Shot on its way. And it
actually slipped. The only one that can do that would be, in my opinion, itong si Alain Bolanan.
Maguliano to Gabo. Hesed Gabo, the Hesi. The pass back to JP Maguliano. Now with Chris Biton. Numbers here for Caloocan. Biton pulls up for free. Book it!
That exactly in the player.
But fails to finish. Taktak mo dito si JP Maguliano. JP lays it in! JP Maguliano provides.
That's been so far the story of the game since Hesed Gabo came in, and JP Maguliano really following suit, going downhill.
Flores, Biton. Almost lost it. 8 seconds left on their shot clock. Kalahat puts it up and it goes in. Romel Kalahat will 12 to Pagsanhan.
There you go.
Drives. Yes, overruling Coach Mike on the side.
You gotta be better in making those. Oh, that's a push.
No whistle.
That's a push. That's gotta be a foul.
Kalahat and Pagsanhan fall down. Kalahat visibly hurt.
Well, I thought that was a push on Chris Biton even before that action. It was a zoom action.
Battled for the rebound.
And he looks hurt.
Possession.
Watch out for Chris.
Oh, nice hesitation move. Sending up JJ Manlangit inside for 2 points.
Well, it's a matter of how he looking for a shot.
Backdoor. Pagsanhan with a reverse. With another steal. Manlangit. Dire-derecho. Lays it in. See Wendo struggling here. Vic Manuel, Lawrence Victoria, and Aline Bulanadi. To the rescue, Mike Mabulak, who scores inside. Baba.
And that roll, I feel, that's got to be a foul on Jeremy Cabana.
Line.
We talked about the stats earlier, point scoring, and so right now, that's been the case.
Swabing.
Pace, and he's got to take it. Now Mike's got to go to work.
Mabulak, pinawi naman.
The defense of the Heat Waves. Now they got that clear on that triple post-up.
Cervantes.
The release.
LGR is the official outfitter of the MPBL. And to your point,
and I feel if this defense continues for the Heat on one.
bad pass from Ronnie Matias. Joshua Fontanilla gets inside and scores in the
speed with Hesed Gabo.
Cabanak got bumped
for that glass finish. You put Jeremy Cabanag, make him put the ball on the floor with the left hand. And Mike.
Skip pass, Vic Manuel. Left corner triple will not drop in. Lawrence Victoria. Nice F.
And on the floor, and now they're running.
Chance to take the lead in this possession. Vic Manuel, sidestep beauty from the muscle. Off target. Babalik kay Manday. Cabanag is free. His triple is good.
Tell you what, Ken, that is the...
Victoria. Pinasa palabas kay Vic Manuel. Vic Manuel will drive, gets the friendly roll. And this Rosales crowd into a frenzy.
These Heatwave 5 are gassed. Caloocan can't foul, they're in penalty.
Fontanilla to the Gregorio, left corner, free! They lead. Rebound, he's joined by Chris Pitoon, Prince Casin, Paul Sanga, and JJ Manlangit. Prince Casin finally gets himself on the...
This is a highly offensive 5 here for the Heatwaves. Another one incoming.
Back-to-back freeze from Prince Casin.
Quick ones right here. Chris finding Casin. Catch and shoot, no problem. Bottom of the net, he gets it. Second time around, this time, had to go to that handle. Little step back, created the separation with Mike. Same result. A 3 make.
Giving Caloocan a 6-point lead.
Very excited. He's very grateful to the veterans for accepting him. In his words, kahit halos kaedad ko lang sila, pinapakitaan nila ako ng respeto dito.
Here in the north. And si Sid, binanggit yan sa akin kasi siya'y pumasok doon sa dugout and she was able to observe how tight-knit this Caloocan squad was at that time, and that in the South Division, just bowing out to Quezon speaks volumes on how well he has done here in the MPBL. But Alin Bulanadi taking the jumper.
Kutswa rin eh. See this right here. Mike falls down on the floor, gave it up to Alin, lifted for the shot. Ooh, a little tap.
Sa poste, Maguliano forcing it up and able to draw a foul. Maguliano, that big second quarter he had.
From perimeter, itong si JP Maguliano. Missed that.
Bulanadi will put it on the deck. He drives, he scores, plus a foul.
What you like about this game is the energy of both these teams.
The game brought to you by Extreme X Play on-the-go speaker. Take your music anywhere.
Which in turn resulted to that open floor basketball the other end. You close out for one of your really good shooters. They generated that closeout against
the field. He drives baseline, setting up Real Cervantes, who hops into the lane.
Self to try and score.
Baka isa sa mga upunan na ito.
Lamang nanonood ngayon.
At the post, Maguliano. The flip shot is gone and he extends the lead past the halfway point of the fourth period. Cabanag off the dribble. Slides in, lays it up and in. What an attack from Jeromer Cabanag, JP Maguliano.
Good help by Real Cervantes though on Kalahat.
Cervantes off the dribble, puts it in, and a bonus free throw coming up.
Not putting enough pressure, really just leaving it up for Real Cervantes, who had nobody on him as he approached the nail.
The 8 lead change. Sanhan with a rebound. Hesed Gabo, fouled by Cabanag. Hesed Gabo ties it up, or 6 sa free throws ng dalawang kupunan. Gabo missing the second. Michael Mabulak.
So that's going to be another man that the Heatwaves are going to guard against. Oh, making the most out of the situation.
And with a 1-point lead. Maguliano free for a free. It's good!
How big? How big was that 3, Ken? JP Maguliano, Mike Mabulak. They're going to try and exploit him.
Chris Pitoon goes inside the paint and ties it up at 71 apiece.
Involving both those big men.
5 seconds left on the shot clock. Caloocan having trouble. Ooh, it's a foul against Hesed Gabo.
That was indeed a foul. Well, Hesed pretty much on that half-court set was trying to chase, see that push. He released it immediately, but, you know,
calmly sinks the first free throw.
At makakaswing yung momentum sa kabila.
2 big free throws. Prince Casin. Cervantes. Mabulak in his grill. Cervantes left it short. Bulanadi. Now it's with Mabulak. Chance here for Pangasinan. Bulanadi for the lead. Short. Ball batted around. Bonnie's on the floor. And it's a jump ball. And if it is, possession arrow pointing to Caloocan.
Pangasinan to try and recover that. Here, that quick corner fill. That shot was short, and guys battled it out. Look at Lawrence Victoria. I guess the other guy was that Mike Mabula? And guys really just going in there trying to claim that 50-50 ball.
8 seconds on the shot clock. Manday makes his move. He drives. He puts it up. He puts it in. Jeff Manday scoring the last 4 points.
You've got Manday down in the middle, driving that paint, getting into that paint touch and finishing. But you have to remember, there are shooters outside.
JP Maguliano, he takes the three and makes it. Lead is down to 1.
And that happens to be JP Maguliano. JP, off that stack, releases, drop coverage late for rail, and that's all the time and the space that JP needed to make that shot. The good thing about this is it only took off.
Manday on the sideline, having trouble inbounding the basketball. Now it's at Prince Kasin. And quick foul given up by Bulanadi.
Well, guess what?
Kasin missing the first. Second free throw. Bounces out. Nobody grabbing no defensive rebound though for the Pangasinan Heatwaves.
Wow, nobody got to that.
Makes good on the first.
Some coaches would want to miss this, then foul.
He hits both. 3-point lead, 4.2 seconds left. Bulanadi has to run the length of the floor. A good look, Bulanadi for three. And it's short. Caloocan survives in Rosales.
He already had that look, wanted to bring it a little bit closer, but that shot hit nothing.
Halatang napakalaking bagay talaga nito para sa inyo. Puro naging defensive strategies itong game na to, pero naging turning point yung ginawa mo nga yung against Mabulacan. Kumusta ka pagkatapos ng larong ito?
Okay naman, siguro nagpapasalamat kami sa Panginoon kasi hindi namin to makukuha kung hindi sa depensa namin na buong team.
Maraming salamat. May konting panahon pa, no? May panahon para maghanda. Anong gusto mong iparating sa mga teammates mo lalo at ikaw na yung isa sa pinakamatagal talaga dito sa Caloocan?
Siguro wag kami makontento. Palagi ko naman sinasabi sa mga teammates ko na wag makontento. Tapos pag halimbawa may pahinga kami, wag yung abusuhin yung katawan. Kumbaga balik pa rin sa dating trabaho, ganoon.
Handa ka na ba kay Larry Muyang?
Oo naman, 100%.
Maraming salamat.